Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Ernest here. Today we're looking at an unboxing video of a 5-pack Hot Wheels Ford Mustang series. So I'll get them out of the box and I'll put each one of the cars onto the mini turntable so you guys can get a 360-degree view of each car. Okay, those are the cars. We've got a 1962 Ford Mustang Concept, a 1992 Ford Mustang, a 2015 Ford Mustang GT convertible, a 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 302, and last but not least, a 1971 Mustang Mach 1. Okay, the first one on the turntable is a 1962 Ford Mustang Concept. Next one is a 1992 Ford Mustang. Next up is a 2015 Ford Mustang GT convertible. Next one is a 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 302. And the last one in the pack is a 1971 Mustang Mach 1. Okay, that's all the cars lined up that we had in the box today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And thank you for watching, guys. God bless you all.